the previous video, we have to learn about how to install WHMCS. In this video, let's fill the Getting Started wizard. For company name, we can fill without company name, for example, WHMCS. And don't forget to upload your logo, and you can fill email address with your company email address, and fill the address is your company address location. If your company is outside from United States, you can select in country drop-down menu, and if you prefer don't use English language, you can also select in drop-down, and we'll click next here. In the number second, in starting wizard is we are setting up payments gateway. Just set up PayPal payment gateway so we can input our email PayPal, and don't worry, we can change this later. We can also set up domain register later, so in this video we done to setting domain register, and we can skip also for server. We will doing in the next video. Just click next step and finish. You can open client area and voila,